Hi, I'm IUP President Mike Driscoll, and I'm really pleased to be here today with Dr. Henry Wong Doe, who's a marvelous pianist and a member of our faculty. I want to talk a little bit with you, Henry, about this project. I understand you received a grant from the government in New Zealand?
Yes, it's called Creative New Zealand, which is the Arts Council of New Zealand, and it's a funding body that supports the arts and other things too, but including music and such.
Great. And so like $65,000 or something like that, pretty significant grant in the arts.
Yes, definitely. It was enough to cover the commissioning costs for 6 composers, which is awesome because I feel like I'm really making a difference to the composers' lives by commissioning, but also at the same time giving them a voice during these difficult times that we had over the last 2 years, which was pretty much the genesis of the project, to be able to get them to express themselves artistically.
That's wonderful. Well, we're very fortunate that we get to have the world premiere right here in Gorell Hall. I'm excited to see and hear this great music. What will somebody expect to hear? What should they think about if they're coming to the performance?
Well, it's a very eclectic collection of works. Some of the composers are writing in a very sort of more austere, post, a modernist kind of a style. But then there are some composers who've chosen a little bit less hard edges, more sort of more of a pleasing, popular, but also emotional kind of writing. A couple of the composers have written for piano and electronic sounds, so I'll be playing, and there will be also some overlay of some sounds that will be kind of surrounding my performance, which is exciting as well.
That's very interesting.
Yeah.
I really am excited to hear this, and to maybe we can check out the lecture format too when you're in New Zealand. See that too. That's wonderful. Well, we're grateful as well because you've certainly given our students, our community, and me great opportunities to have some wonderful music performed by such a talented person. So we want to remember April 28th here in Gorell Hall at 7:30, the premiere of 6 composers' works, New Zealand composers, and really reflecting on the experience of the last couple of years. So Henry, thanks so much for your great work. Thanks for spending a little time with me today.
Thank you very much. Thank you.